It's Captain Lee.
Captain Lee? Mr. Carey!
God love us. It's a bleeding miracle.
Is Don Guzman aboard? No, sir. He offloaded us. We were about to sail to Jamaica to be sold as galley slaves.
Men, we're going to take the ship. You can count on us, Captain. And Salvation, you take them into the crew's quarters. Will and I will deal with the officers.
Teo fight too.
No, Teo, you have something more important to do. Guard young Lucy here. With your life. Now, men, into the fray. Tell me, you dirty slave trader, where is Don Guzman?
Commander Don Guzman, to the north, in his fort at La Guaira.
Senorita Rose?
Ah, the English senorita. She alive, but...
But what? Speak up, you swine, and quickly!
I think Don Guzman is to make the senorita his wife.
What? Quick, Will! There's not a moment to lose!
Senorita Rose, is not Don Guzman a clever man? First, I led the stupid English to kill themselves in the jungle. And then I make a little expedition to make a little money from my Indian friends.
You mean you steal their gold from them at the point of a gun? You're utterly despicable.
Despicable? Oh, no, senorita. Utterly, brilliant. Senorita, I almost forgot. I have a little surprise for you.
I want nothing from you, Don Guzman.
I will give you better than nothing. I will give you everything. I, Don Guzman, am about to become your husband.
My husband? Oh, never!
You sure this is going to work, Captain Lee? It must work. We didn't come all this way to fail. I'm sure the Spanish will not look twice at one of their own ships flying one of their own flags.
Look! Fort of Don Guzman!
I just hope we're not too late.
Run up the English flag. We'll not fight under the banner of Spain. Uh-oh.
Does anyone gathered here know why this man and this woman should not be joined in holy matrimony?
Yes, me!
Oh, I'm sorry, senorita. You don't count. You're only the bride.
Make sure of your aim. Steady!
And do you, Rose Sultan, promise to love and obey your husband until death do you part?
No!
Fire!
On with the ceremony!
For the Queen and England!
For England! Enough! On with the ceremony!
I pronounce you man and...
Amos.
Yes, Miss Rose. Sent by your father to rescue you.
Oh, I never thought I'd see salvation. I thought you were drowned.
Salvation, take Miss Saltern back to the ship. Will, come with me. We have unfinished business with Don Guzman.
Fool! Call the guards and close the door! Quick!
See, call the crowds and guard the doors. No. Guards! Guards!
No.
Lock the doors, Will. I'll deal with Guzman myself.
Perhaps you would like to surrender now, Ingles. I have you exactly where I want you. Let me die quickly, Ingles.
No, Don Guzman. I am not a murderer, but you will answer for your crimes. In an English court of law. Well done, men. Miss Rose, Lucy, we'll have you home within the month. Set sail, lads. We're bound for England.
And so to all of you brave men, the town of Bideford and all of England thanks you. And this very morning I have received a message from Her Majesty the Queen announcing the knighthoods of Amos Lee and Will Carey. And Salvation You. Sir Salvation You. Well, how about that?